Did you suspect anything?
Yeah, I did.
Ah!
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Happy Vlogmas Day. Hi guys, I'm sure you already know by the title of this video what's about to go down. So now it's 20 minutes till my boyfriend's birthday. He has no idea what's gonna happen. I only have balloons. I didn't get like, guys, if it's somebody who you're trying to surprise, it's very hard. But I'm going to not to know because I just got him to fall asleep. Oh, that I can, baking some cupcakes. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm in the bathroom. My initial plan, right, was to like have this setup with the helium balloons, the one by one, and I have like 31 of them. But then I couldn't bring the balloons with me the day I sneaked them out to like go buy them because like I'm gonna go in the car with him, so he's gonna see the balloons. I thought this through, right, but then it, like I didn't literally plan accordingly. So right now I'm trying to make with what I have, just to make sure that this day is very special for him. Well, let's try to be special. So my plan is to, right now I'm gonna make the muffins. I'm gonna drizzle them with chocolate in the morning. And thank you to Slatters, I'm a billion on TikTok. I saw this trick from her. Right now I just wanna clean, and then I'm gonna record with you guys once I start making the muffins. I just didn't wanna like begin this video without an intro. This is Vlogmas. I just finished washing the dishes. Now I'm going to go make the muffins. Playing music goes in the background, so it doesn't so barely anything because insulation. So yeah, guys, let's go big.
Let her cook.
Did you suspect anything?
Yeah, I did.
What gave it away?
No. Yeah, well, you know, the way you're behaving for the past few days, where you're like, yeah, the whole, what is it?
Oh yeah, that time when I went to a party. Happy birthday, baby.
Thanks.